Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main control board kit in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips, a Torx 15, and a small flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get the main control board, the touchpad, and the instructions. The main control board kit includes both the main control board and the touchpad. These two components operates and controls all the major functions of the dishwasher. If you are having difficulties inputting commands or one or more functions are not working, the main control board kit should be replaced. Open the door. Take out the 8 Phillips screws that holds the inner and outer doors together, and then separate them. Latch the inner door and open the outer door. Put some weight on the outer door so it would stay down. Peel off the tape at one end and open the metal cover. Unplug the 8-wire and the 3-wire disconnect plugs. And the jumper plug. Push the 2 tabs at the top of the board and remove the old control board. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, disconnect the side plug. Remove the air diverter out of the way. Lift the insulation. Using the Torx 15 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws and remove the old touchpad. This is the old main control board kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new touchpad and secure it with the 6 Torx 15 screws. Connect the communication plug to the new control board. Install the new control board and push it down to lock the 2 tabs. Connect the 8-wire, the 2-wire, and the jumper plugs. Place the metal cover on and tape it down. Position the air diverter on the outer door. Take out the weight and install the inner door in place, matching the holes. Secure the doors together with the 8 Phillips screws. And then close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.